Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great outdoor video with your boy TERRI-ANN'S cooking. Guys, before we start the video, I say big up to my nephew, the man behind the scene, who I made everything possible. So we are this morning our brand new TERRI-ANN'S cooking vlog shirts. So today we are going to do a sweet and sour pork. So I already have the pork cut up into some small cubes. So I'm gonna season it. After I'm finished seasoning it, I'm gonna make the pork marinate. So I'm gonna pre-cook it. So I'm gonna fry it, coat it into some flour, fry it. Then I'm gonna make the sweet and sour sauce for it, and then I'm just gonna give it a small spin through the sauce. So I have the shredded ginger, some pimento seed, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, and pork season. I'm gonna add some onion, also some scallions, a bit of scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, some chopped garlic. Person who love garlic, so garlic can't too much. I'm gonna season and cover, leave it to marinate for 1 hour. Just add on the pot with a little bit of water with some pimento leaf. I'm gonna add the pork in it, so I'm not gonna add a lot of water because I do not want the pork to boil. I just want it to cook where it's tender enough. So I'm gonna add in the pork. Over there. The man will not shoot video with me. But I forgot it. So we're checking on the pork. Adding another small portion of water. Keep the fire hot, trust me. Add another small portion of water. No hitch. You can stay there and go and cook. Put on the pot, add a little bit of salt, cook some cornmeal dumpling, boiled banana, yellow yam, dashi. So pork done cook. I'm going to take it off, strain it off out of the juice. Then I'm going to get ready to coat it in the flour and fry it. Add in the cornmeal and the flour. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Cornmeal dumpling powder. Small portions of water because you don't want to spoil the people in the flour, you know what I mean? You don't want to spoil the cameraman's flour. make some small one, cause me personally, me not like the big dumpling thing. Just some small dumpling. As I always talk about growing up, like when I was small, and my father, wife always make dumplings. She always make some huge dumpling. Like when you eat one of them, the dumpling, like you can't really go no further when you come on to eating the next dumpling. So maybe that's why I'm not really like see the big dumpling them. You just look too big and outrageous. So for me, it's just like some small dumplings. The yellow yam, add them into some clean water. Add in the yellow yam. Sprinkle just a little bit of cooking oil. So I peel off the banana them now. Add them in the pot, you know what I mean? And one outdoor cooking I go on with a bag of things. You know, really hard man style. The reason why I add the cooking oil in the boiling water to prevent the food them from change color. That's the reason why I add in here. Some person add the banana skin as well, but either the banana skin or the cooking oil works perfectly. Them one people, so me I kick it today. You know what I mean? The hard man thing today, you know? So I mash up under the cornmeal dumpling with some butter, flour and butter to swear. Can't wait for the pot to done. Right now I'm hungry. I will put some flour and butter. So hot dough, you know. I'll make nice guys. So I'm putting the pork into some flour. Just lightly dust them in it. Sweet and sour pork today. I'm gonna make the sauce for it after I finish frying.
One more.
So I'm currently taking out the pork and them that fry. People, you have to change the shirt. Like today is so hot. Today is so hot, I swear. The heat at the time I get the best of me. You can't wait for tomorrow to show the next video at the river. You can actually get to cool off in the river water. And remember, if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload the content you'll be the first to receive the videos. So I make some sweet and sour sauce for the pork. I'm using some shredded ginger, a little garlic, some chopped up scallion. I just saute them a little bit just to add some flavor. And this is how I make the sauce. Getting all that aroma from the garlic. Add some pepper. Catching the sweetness of the sauce first. I'm gonna add just a little bit of vinegar in the sauce. Now I mean, Chef TERRI-ANN'S cooking. So I know we have to use some of the lime juice. So I'm going to add the lime juice now. So the sauce should take about 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm just going to let it dry down a little bit. Just a little bit of water. I'm going to add the sauce over the pork. The sweet and sour sauce, so I'm just giving it 2 minutes just to dry down a little bit. So I'm just stirring the pork through the sauce.